Compassion is a powerful and ancient human emotion that connects us deeply with others, but where does this beautiful feeling come from, and what does it truly mean? Today, let's explore the origin and meaning of compassion. The word compassion comes from the Latin root com, meaning together, and pati, meaning to suffer. So literally, compassion means to suffer together. This origin perfectly captures the essence of compassion, not just feeling sorry for someone but sharing in their suffering and being moved to help. Throughout history, compassion has taken a central role in many cultures and philosophies. In Buddhism, it's a path to enlightenment, calling us to relieve the suffering of all beings. Christianity teaches compassion as an act of love and mercy, encouraging us to care for those in need without judgment. Philosophers like Aristotle describes compassion as feeling pain for another undeserved suffering. Meanwhile, Confucianism teaches that compassion is an innate human quality that must be nurtured to become true kindness and benevolence. Scientific research has also confirmed that compassion is hardwired in our brains. It evolved to help us build social bonds, cooperate, and protect the vulnerable, making communities stronger and happier. But compassion goes beyond just recognizing pain. We feel a genuine desire to help. It activates kindness and motivates us to alleviate others' suffering, bridging the gap between us and fostering connection. In essence, compassion is more about than feeling. It's about connection, kindness, and action. It reminds us that we are not alone in our struggles, that by standing together and caring for one another, we can create more empathetic and human world. So the next time you see someone in pain, remember that compassion means to suffer together and invite yourself to feel care and act. That's the true power and meaning of compassion.